Tulungan nyo kami na huwag umiyak ni Joy as our unika iha. Jump starts adulthood. A fun-filled night, sharing a glimpse ng makulit at masayang mundo ni Shea. A celebration of life and love na punong-puno ng pangarap at pagmamahal. As we gather tonight, happy-happy lang tayo ha.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. We can start right here. Push away your fear. We can start right here. Push away your fear. We can run the future. We're not starting anymore. This is the beginning.
Welcome to Arjaya's world. Presenting her majestic 18th year, Jana Francesca.
In your eyes.
Happy birthday, Cheska! Mag-start na yung journey mo as legal age. So sana maging mas responsible ka pa sa lahat ng decisions.
Happy birthday, baby! So, ayan na, 18th birthday ka na. Nandiyan ka na sa part ng pagiging adult mo. So, nandito lang kami mga baby family mo. And palagi ka sana maging okay.
In your eyes.
Simula pagkabata niya, wala kaming naging problema sa kanya. Wala siyang, hindi siya yung, wala problema sa pagkain, sa pagtulog. Yung tipo ng bata na mabait, sabi nila.
Sobrang mahal ka namin. Kung anong plano mo sa buhay, gawin mo. Nandito lang kami sa likod mo. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit sumablay ka, ulit-ulit ka lang. Bangon lang, bangon na ng bangon. Lagi kami nandito ng mami mo. Lagi nakaalagay sa'yo. Love na love ka namin. Sobrang love ka namin. Happy birthday, be. Love you.
Welcome to the one of the most important evenings of our charming debutante who is now turning into a fine lady. She is now a real lady, and as she stepped into the much higher level on what we call life.
Happy birthday, Diana! Happy birthday, Diana!
Isa lang naman lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, gusto ko maging simple siya. Happiness lang talaga ang gusto ko sa'yo, be. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan, sa buong daigdig. Ay, Biset. Ba yan? Tama na to. Ayoko na. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita sa buong daigdig, alam mo yan, be.
Cause with you these moments just feel so right.
Happy birthday. I just want you to know that I'm very grateful to have you in my life as my best friend. Thank you for always being there by my side, most especially when I need someone to vent to. I hope you know that I appreciate you a lot, and I'm also here for you as you achieve your dreams in life. I love you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
With you by my side, is it more than a feeling?
Happy birthday, Diana!
Kahit hindi mo na kami nakakasama sa sobrang tagal dahil may kanya-kanya na tayong life, is naiintindihan natin yun. Pero nandito lang ang Riverside lagi para sa'yo. Mahal ka namin at mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday. Miss you.